we have two straight lines intersecting at some point, is it possible to write down the equation of the line which is the bisector of the angle between these two straight lines? But then wait, that results into two lines, right? Because when we have two lines intersecting, if one of the angles formed is an acute angle, then you could also say that the other part, that is the obtuse angle, is also the point of, or is also the angle of intersection. So therefore, it should be possible to write down the bisectors of each of these angles. Let's look at how that is done when the equations of the straight lines is given. The equations of the bisectors of the angles between the lines a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0, the first equation, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals 0. The second equation is what? a1x plus b1y plus c1 by square root of a square plus a1 square plus b1 square is equal to plus or minus a2x plus b2y plus c2 divided by square root of a2 square plus b2 square. And so we get, say this is the equation of the first line and this is the second line. Equation of the first line is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals 0. So therefore, there is this one angle which is an acute angle, and there is this other angle which is an obtuse angle. Suppose we'll consider the dotted line as the bisector of the acute angle that is formed between these two lines. Then this line can be said to be, every point on this line, can we say that its perpendicular distance from the two lines is equal, that is, the distance d1 and d2 will be equal? Yes. And so therefore, the distance of this point P, let us suppose the coordinates of the point P are x dash and y dash, then d1 equals a2 x dash plus b2 y dash plus c2 by square root of a2 square plus b2 square. d2 is given by a1 x dash plus b1 y dash plus c1 divided by square root of a1 square plus b1 square. But d1 equals d2, and so that is how we get the format for the equation of the bisector of the angle between these two lines. a1x plus b1y plus c1 upon square root of a1 square plus b1 square equals plus or minus a2x plus b2y plus c2 divided by square root of a2 square plus b2 square. The plus or minus is given precisely for what you think it is. One of the signs is for the bisector of the acute angle, and the other one is for the bisector of the obtuse angle.